What is up, guys? Jones Baller here. Today I'm coming at you with my first video where I will be showing you guys how to make a simple snap lens. So I actually just started creating snap lenses a few days ago, and I have currently over 2 million total views on my lenses. I also have a lens trending #1 for the past 3 days. If you guys would like to learn how to do this, grow your snap following, and gain subscribers, then give this video a like and let's get ready to get into it.
Alright guys, we're just going to get right into the video. So as you can see, I'm here on lensstudio.snapchat.com/download. This is where you'll download the software. You're going to need to accept the agreement, enter your email, then choose whether you're going to download this for Mac or for PC. So you can pause the video, and once you have finished downloading that, we'll go in here, and this is what the icon looks like. Let's open that up. Takes a little bit because there is a lot of stuff in here. So now we're going to go to File, New Project from Template. We're going to go to Face, then 2D Objects. We'll just wait for this to load up because there's a few objects that are preloaded into this template. So as you can see here, there's the objects I was talking about. We're just going to remove those because we don't want that. So we're going to go up here, right click, delete, then do the same thing right here to the same file down in resources, right click, delete. And when we're thinking about making a filter, we're just going to make a simple one, but we need to think of something that's trending. So today's Earth Day, so we're just going to come over here and we're going to find an Earth PNG, something that looks nice. Right here we got a transparent photo, which is perfect. We can just save this image, save as Earth, and transparent. Alright, we'll just save that. Then we'll come back into Lens Studio. So we're just gonna, first thing we have to do is add the PNG to our resources. So we're gonna press add the new resource, then we're gonna go from files. We're going to click the Earth transparent file. So now you see we have this here in our resources panel. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to objects. We're going to add an object. You're going to come over here to face effects. Click that face image. So now as you can see we have a blank image space, and we're going to want to resize that, make it a little smaller. You can shift and drag to make it even. So we're just going to put this right here and we'll click on it. You see where it says texture? We'll click that. We'll select the Earth transparent, and there we have it right there. So we can just come up here, right click this, head binding one, and we can do a duplicate right here. Now we have a second one. So we're just going to shift click and drag it over so it's perfectly even with the other one. As you can see we have it right there. Looks pretty good. So this is just how simple it is to make a filter like this, and these filters can get thousands and even 1 million views. So after this, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to come up here to project info. We're going to name this Earth Day because today is Earth Day. We're going to select this right here to add a photo for it. We're going to choose Earth PNG, click apply, and then we can add a lens preview so people can know what to expect when using this filter. So we're going to have to wait a second because it's preloading up some videos of people using this filter for us, which is extremely nice of Snapchat to do. So we see right here we have a smile one. I like that because it's providing a happy feeling with this filter. So I'm just going to apply that right here. And as you can see now we have this nice preview and icon for it. So we're just going to click apply down here. Then if this is perfect for you guys, if you like how it is, you can come up here, publish lens, and just wait a second for that, and a new tab will pop up with your lenses. So then right here you'll click submit a new lens. This right here is for if you're just updating a current lens. So we're going to click this, and we're going to add some tags that relate to it. So I'll choose Earth Day, Green, Recycle, Planet, Globe, and Q. So then we're going to add a scan trigger, and this is a filter for a person, so we're going to click person right there, and then make sure the visibility is public so that everyone can see this. Now if everything's perfect for you guys, you're going to want to click submit lens. Alright, and it's going to take a couple minutes for this to go public. It usually only takes I don't know, like 3 minutes, but I'll show you right now. So I have a few filters right here. This is my best performing one. As you can see, it has 950,000 views, and I only posted it, as you can see, April 17th, so 5 days ago. It's got 600,000 plays, so it's pretty successful. And as you can see, I have 2 million total views, and I'm just making basic filters just like you guys. So this tutorial pretty much shows exactly what I do. As you can see, Earth Day is already public, guys. So if you click on that, and right here you can share the lens, you can get the link, or you can go right here to download the snap code. You can pull this up, pull up the picture, and you can go right on your phone on Snapchat and scan this, and you will have your filter right there. You can send it to your friends, you can take pictures with it, put it on your story, anything you want to do, guys. It's just so cool how we can do this through Snapchat, and this is just the beginning, guys. You can create so much more cooler filters. You can add so many more features, and we'll go over that in the next video, guys. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, go check out my Snapchat. It's malachi.jones with 2 S's. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.